Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
Victor,
meanwhile, last one. Meanwhile, if you see Obanda, a see any are declared that meboa and an MPP a call for recollation. And umpo recollation that has been done. Was it done or not? And you don't understand the whole thing.
Okay.
Proper thievery.
All right. May I say
fraud.
Forward your channel for 050372 1744 050372 1744.
Oh, bro.
Benjamin. Sada na be talk ano. Wamusomo yo yechere. Because more 22 about us until the time and our last day, sir. Everybody say na now the Danko Kufuor, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, and then the party chairman, Yura Jake Obi Chebelam till the blessed memory. And go on for the grace. Now, one more year somebody be court. And one more call him to order. Say, Master Mugofi, Omo. It almost one more year, so many go around court. But one more Magana Fuan who say Bibi and Koye, our battle.
Unia.
Yes, sir.
Omuni Hute. Omuni Foko.
Communication officer submit fee. Actually, just so the SCC.
Utipupua will be na ye ko binkwan. Utipupua no will be edi. Na ye ko binkwan. Unim say 10th June 2020. Ura Mahama omu candidate. Ode to Ghana for nyina anim say election no onye oria onye ntum.
Wanka sir.
Okay, century mu.
Or say onye flawed elections. Election a bibi an koyia ma no.
Unia.
Onye ntum
wanka so esa election na no. Ya bobo ma odi a ende nenye flawed. So dey me say no. Election na unyi ntum no. O consider say be flawed no. Say ya bobo ma odi a ende de enye flawed ma. Enne de si nyina no. Eye ade a NDC Mahama Omaka a poor mabo ato mutrimu dada. The election ye ko yenim se ye bere. Ye reso so a ye nyintum. Eno ne adwempa omo abone dada abesi nne. Na unia asat now NDC aban entimi fa single figure. Emo say ne minui afa na all kika 49 point something. Bisa omo say Akufuor dunya 49.7 or something na Mahama omuso warene no onya sen no so ode arene muamu TV so UTV enra adawudu o say omu coalition center omu heye no na Akufuor do LED omu coalition center omu timinya sika ekosi $1 million head office. And this time and age.
One more catch say $1 million head up.
This time and age. And programs say the quality results, figures, and no. Omutimi enyabi enfanya true and rightful figures and declare Ghana for excel no mo use. Ye invest wo your technology item. Until as at 12 p.m. 10 to 12 p.m. in the night, we had our results. And the chance of party no ye proactive. As at now, omu day, omu call it youth. So omu call street in nano. NDC, entimi fa single figure. Ema to abonten say figure Mahama menyeni. Amedia run election. Omu timi nyebi.
But the one go so more audit here.
Now you're auditing now.
Yeah.
Auditing calling Professor Mure Street. I don't know on your auditing anyway. Figure when ya was so the arena. Why should you call the youth to come onto the street? Meanwhile, omuma amo moduane di afidi omo aya to twa to twe eda dem egudem he TV said the tienie sankro ano enka demonstrators omo street ho a omo hyehye taisi na unia yesi obi hyetai dia eno de onye bone na ne civic right was so the demonstration unia tax no ekwan na ye omo hyetai no so omo hyetai na unia sese ekwan no bio environmental we hazard tie no amotion no chemicals no wom no essay environment no e ka hwan e ka me no meboa enti omo say omo say cars enti at the end of the day a shaman eba yes say peaceful but omo say ties wo ho mpacho meboa na mahama na ne baka ho na say din ketia baka ho no tukono ne baka ho sami je mfidie minua onya nware nti oni ba Oba. Sa onya nware no oba. Okay, I see.
Another na wunya nware.
Oh, me bisa. Oh,
sami dem fu
oba. Me bisa keke. Oh,
oba baako.
Ena make us minim. Tell me say.
Apart to no oba baako.
But in the bani so, o ti me street.
Wanyini.
Sa sami dem fi na onya ni fi. So dey make sure we. Enti bisa say some penifo na omo quality youth. So omo mbra street so e make demonstration no. Enam so omo no pese minkumnya omo eye die enti no sebe ye hiafo ye ma no sebe eduru anopa ene awia enti minya aduane ni no NDC aban muo ene Mahama be president want me create jobs for those youth eno o say youth no emre street so ni ma boys kama ojimi to Dubai fie ede omo kogum emebi koye wadi nyina sa nkura no ma totwe ya da condition mu no ontimi from so momre street so ema make demonstration but ye hiafo ye ma de ye street so ebi ba bewu ade be chira ne ba no akọ school papa no wode na ba onu ne retire from politics na ne ba ne ba behjem
ba na mo kan sa ande sa na mo yo
enti sa na ye no enu ti na ye ka chira mo say
da be na mo mpanyofo na nado da kwakufu ado 2012 about to an so nyintum to ade be court na ne ba bi ka ho
the make can say 2012 now.
The usual
2012 now. What is Obi Shetai? What is Obi? 2012 demonstration was peaceful demonstration. No Obi ahun entity. And now ye demonstration ye to 2 boss Nkrofo cars ese akwan. Ama youth ewu. Eno Ghana for ye kan ni egu so.
2012 Obi answer Obi ka.
Ewen.
Ma for say Obi ka.
Ewen.
Yes.
Prove to me.
Sako heya.
Oh, yeah.
Sako heya.
You know, news no way. What do you show me? News item.
Adia we will be some the episode news. It dey make
say. Omuma gufio.
Yeah.
Enam rantie. Sabe dum so ba ye. NDC Jan ho ma ye be solve ye. Emrantie gufio mu nya adwuma nye. No mu nya adwuma nye no. Se o ma me na papa to credit gu electricity so a. O da wo TV ya kakra de etetu adwendwen so no bonse light ne adum no fo fon unu na hye dem a ete se de oda bonse mu jam eno omri gya ye mantimi ama mrantie ne maba wa adwuma ya koka wo so ba ma omo okada business mumuma omo okada business sa boys mu so omo street me dede ama ye bo omo tu oku omo eno no ye nka ho asem enti no NDC fo omo ni bibia ma ye na omo fa figures emra meto dwa na Ghana fo ehu se figure ni nie afei Akufo Addo jemensa se unyan o reni figure no etisei NDC fo figure no etisei ene ekwan be so constitution no make key provisions say wa ye be declare ma no e was so unya 50 plus 1 vote but what you say 50 plus 1 vote you me say NDC fo say John Mahama ni figure o di reni no e say then appropriate procedure was all here and it's all back court. What's here court 28th, internet 21st, into new time I NPP at the court no. Any new time at the court no. That time I catch out say ye are in no near the figure about Bontene. As soon as nature in your court no, court to Guamau. A good father or person be or pagan and canco. Ain't he? Or say results in a babonteno. Me minimum. Nembo muno me pe Ghana ye die enti no me jaye manaka ampa ojaye manekai ema president Mahama ebedi ade ema obaye Ghana basa eno na ho bufuo Ghana fo de to aba twetwentwie 2012 2016 edi ni free so na me nua ka so make reference said those days 2008 ya call time ya call ye no na NDC Professor Mills LED 23,000 votes of which are time figures over 50,000 votes 50,000 votes some of the 50,000 votes you know eba offset 23,000 votes no. And time alone can make difference. And you know catch out say yanko time. And I'm a boy. And then Jemensa declare elections Akufo-Addo no. Or mention Techiman South. Techiman South. Votes are what Techiman South nyina no. Unu can was 128,000. 128,000 no. Who had difference Akufo-Addo edinya enya over 500,000 votes. Only 128,000 from unya say. And even though Techiman South no mo yo Techiman South no. Udi ni nyina kra mama hama of Richard onya ni nyina. Udi ni nyina mama hama ontimi rene. Domo prene se enka ne figures ne so betete na nka ne omoya yesi run off yenko ne china wawe opa afa court declare say abana Akufo-Addo anrene wona wawe ne a obeji ama. Enti Techiman South vote no emeye mahama hwe omo DCV NDC enkrofo omo pese omo show mukutu pa ne ka say Akufo-Addo ba so no Ghana yeni asumdwe. But mind you, election way is one of the most credible election in the history of Ghana since 1990 and 92 started to aba. But what I say,
okay,
the most peaceful one. Undimi can tell me say media stations nyina wrong. Undimi can tell me say media stations nyina wrong.
Okay.
Omu nyina no in the books of NPP. Or in the books of government, you know, and within the media houses are Ghana, project say President Akufo-Addo elect.
Okay.
Who do you mean can't tell me, sir? And who do you mean can't tell me, say all the election observers, independent election observers, you know, who do you mean can't so munina no a time Ura Mahama, and who do you know munina catch say, and no ya code you, report on the buy, almost say. Almost the figures no munya, and quality, no, Akufo-Addo more than 50%. And yes, I'm guy. Code you. What's your report? Yes, Kodio. Mr. We are about more than 20 minutes. Mr.
For worry about
Kodio. Omo, you say elections are about, you know, way any free and fair election in the history of Ghana. Say election way, credible. Say election way, they Kodio, Omo declare President Akufo-Addo as president elect. And this is force there be. Nanka yemoni enfa mamo na. Yemoni enfa mamo. Ya de Ghana shemu someone timi anya hwe. Ghana fo bufu om de pamomo. Enne mo ka se yenya bio ya re ni kakra vote na yakra na yenyi ni se vote na yenya ya no yebetimi anya ne sa. Umia 2016 election Mahama were then olusu over 1 million votes meboa. Over 1 million votes no. Enne
gazetted one is about 900. Is almost 1 million. Not up to 1 million.
It's almost 1 million accepted. And then, in fact, says that I'm party names and same room. Muko opposition. A conquer recording more. Intimate missions solve problems.
Okay.
And Crophobia, no more. I had this granted. Omubo fufu. Any no more.
I said, A B is on a possibility report on somebody. You might recommend
possibility report on young Hubi.
And I say, make us a movie and I mean,
report about
recommendations be a moment.
You so hey, possible claim no more penable actually. Almost 1 million votes here. NDC for Mahama Olusu yeno. And no more question say, and then Yamia don't want me your movie kakra. And Crophobia no more bofu, and a number 2 be a mamo. Internet instead is Ulusu almost 1 million, and then Ulusu by 500,000.
Yeah.
What's why idea? Mind you, every second term of every government, you know, voter, sa government, you know, and a president in Yan Esote, meboa, a fact. In the research bachelor, in the next year lose by 2.3 or 2.7 percentage terms are, and this area by 2.7, right?
Yeah.
Yes, year lose by 2.3, no, and I'm more by 2.7. Oh my day. Difference Emma Akufo-Addo area no 4 percentage points. 4 and them 1 cranya easy. 1 enya easy. No ni pakro chen 4.
Okay.
Also nya wo den.
Okay, but
on chen 10.
Right.
Oh, unya, man, you be now there, mammy.
Oh, no, I'm giving me approaching time the
Dabi onto no man di kaka sai and obisa me ma brief ya na ubkon ho no so no call 20 minutes
send it
me start here 10 minutes pepe na ma enti me sra
we don't call concluding part to the call get to us here
enti ne NDC fo mumu media fo munya de say e ma ye ni nye nka mu bisa o mu yi o mu kasa de na nka mu bisa o mu se unua Ghana de person bio ye mpe de ye magana enye se Rwanda the part what I say ye magana enye se Cote d'Ivoire enti no mu figa mu matimi aye no mu to mu bo ase mu ma mu nkrofo nkotena fie na mu ntimi quality mu figures no enye mu tabulations ni nwie mu wie na indeed mu ditum say Mahama ono na arenia constitution no e ma guidelines and the crowd here said the last 2016 petition e chaye no for 6 months no and the Supreme Court at the guidelines aba
42
days so petition 42 days and the crowd here nkamu gotena fie nche nga 42 days pepepe Supreme Court sama arenia on be declared amamo munko ya mosi yanye kosi koda
wa monka so monye
almost say be eno ye one option but another option is on say also mu go street
na Ghana fo hu de ekọ
adentina maka Ghana fo hu de ekọ nti maka wie no adena de be ma asomdwe na nkasa aba no de eno no ema obi mo rekra ntu no ende mo se munye na mum de be ma nkrofo eprepra nkrofo adwuma asai abo mo nkrofo ma ade apinie ni abinisie no ede na mo se mo beye enya adwembo ne nsem enye nipa bo ne nsem ena sampanifo ye omudi monimu yi omo ye mo nti so ya be ma meka amemrantie ni mabawa wa bontene atie so ya be ma na sebe obi nsori nto aduane ma wonni wow na otiti umorem na de ato aduane anase wa wofo bi ena abusuafo bi ena boa no wadidi na obi te no e condition mu e ka mu oba ni security kro ntimi nko ne nchen but what I say ni security ya ode ye no kra wusu di na chi no ntimi men no
okay
na on ba kroka kira o say ono na anweni aba nti wu na wo no wo de kom ne ko empaso no ekoda no wo say wo na ko street eko edede demonstration a ewia kataban e boy won de bi shi no wo shedem o te condition mu no e condition bo no kra no ne all the 20 minye that's incompetent.
All right, but
Mahama is so much incompetent, so much so that even common tabulation
Okay,
how many days in here?
Now, what would the figure better about here? Now, I know I
Ghana for ampa, so the figure better about now, Cassa, Uchagana for some paya, ya me. And to Ghana for Mutamachi, after the moment about in the da. Number one, you know,
okay.
But on for my, also performer and Kongu.
Madam Benjamin Educhum, member of the MPP National Communication Team now training Kano.
Utie Oha Exi Ponkno Needs FM.